How to set up Samsung Health on your Galaxy phone, Android Central. Samsung Health is the fitness tracking app pre-installed on your Galaxy phone. And all things considered, it's pretty great. Whether you're using it in conjunction with a Galaxy Watch or on its own. The app has tools for tracking your daily activity, food, sleep, weight, and more. If you're new to Samsung Health and need some help getting your profile all set up, you've come to the right place. Just like that, your Samsung Health profile is now all set up and ready to go. You can change your weight at any time from the home page of the Samsung Health app to see how it goes up and down over time. But if your activity level drastically changes, you can always revisit this profile page to adjust it accordingly. Samsung Health has plenty of robust tools to help keep you healthy and active. And with an accurate profile, you can ensure you get the absolute most out of it. While it is expensive, the Samsung Galaxy S20 delivers one of the best Android experiences the market has to offer. The 120Hz AMOLED display is incredible. Performance is plenty fast. The cameras take great photos. And battery life is surprisingly long-lasting. Samsung Health comes pre-installed on Galaxy phones. But if you don't have one, you can install it for free on any other Android device. You'll find plenty of features in the app, ranging from activity and sleep tracking, a way to log your food, stress monitoring, and much more. You can never go wrong with a leather case, especially when it's for a phone as premium as the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Here are our top picks. A big and powerful phone like the Galaxy S20 Plus deserves a premium case to go along with it. Here are our picks for the best leather cases for the handset. You can never go wrong with a leather case, especially when it's for a phone as expensive as the Galaxy S20. Not sure which one you should get? Here are our top recommendations. Joe is a senior editor for Android Central and has had a love for anything with a screen and CPU since he can remember. He's been writing about Android in one form or another since 2012. And often does so while camping out at the nearest coffee shop. Have a tip? Send an email to joe.maring@futurenet.com. Text source, androidcentral.com.